Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Scuba. In today's video we're going to be taking a closer look at the Paralenz Flip Mount. So this is a very simple spring-loaded mount for additional lenses onto your Paralenz Vaquita dive camera. So what Paralenz are doing is they're bringing out more and more sort of extra additional lenses for, say, macro. That's the first one that they brought out, and that can then be fitted onto this. You screw it into position, and then when you want to use it on your Vaquita, you flip it up into position, and then it sort of sits in front of the lens. So then you have the benefit of the macro lens. But if something big starts to swim by and you want to take a photo of it, you can flip that lens down out of the way and just use the traditional lens on the Vaquita. So yeah, let's take a closer look. So this is how it arrives in a nice neat little cardboard box, on the inside of which you have the flip mount itself. So this is all metal by the feels of it, so nice and strong and reliable. You've got the little clamp that attaches onto the Vaquita. Just remember that the Vaquita is different from the, what is it, the Dive Plus, the original version of the Paralenz. So there's a separate version for that. Underneath this little section, you get a small Allen key to attach it. So yeah, let's attach it onto a Paralenz Vaquita and yeah, sort of show you how it works. Okay, so I fitted it onto a Vaquita camera. I've also fitted the macro lens onto it, so you can see it all together as a package. So yeah, you can fit it to the underside as I have here, but I don't see any reason why you couldn't mount it to one side if you wanted to. I mean, there is a fair amount of weight to the lens, so I feel like if you had it on the side, if it's like sort of on the side of your mask, it might droop it down a little bit. If it was on one side, but hey, you can mount it wherever you want to. Very strong, secure mount. That's what I'd be worried about. But yeah, two section of metal, feels like aluminium. Two bolts in there as well, so it's really strong and secure, holds it. You have to put it right up to the front so the lens doesn't sort of bump up against the actual body of the torch. The camera looks like a torch. I keep calling it a torch, but yeah, and then you have a spring-loaded mechanism which is quite strong and secure. You just flip it up and that holds it in position. It's not going anywhere. So yeah, it's a very quick and easy way of mounting a different lens on the go in the water, so you can take different shots. And that's the Paralenz Flip Up mount for the Vaquita dive camera. Quick, easy way of just having that lens. You can pop it off, use it as a normal Vaquita, pop it on if you want to use it for macro. There's going to be more information on our website, simplyscuba.com. If you just click on the link down in the description below, it will take you to our website, simplyscuba.com, where you can check it out and buy it from us. Thank you for watching, everybody, and of course, safe diving.